So take a pause from uploading, stop for a week maybe, look back at your old videos. I took some shorts videos that had stalled. Short videos that didn't get more than 10 or 20 views, now hitting thousands. This week I've been working on my golf channel and it taught me something. I stopped uploading just for a week and I looked at all the videos I had out there, which were still performing, which were not still performing. A little tip is when you get enough videos up, stop uploading, go and review how well they are doing. First place I started was look at the homepage. That's like the opening to my shop. Go to the homepage, see how it looked to a new person visiting the channel. And I was able to tidy it up, add a few playlists onto the homepage, move a few around that weren't so appropriate for this time of year. So I moved winter golf playlist near the top. Generally tidied it up. If your homepage is not tidy and people all they see is videos and all they see is this great big long list of videos that don't necessarily run in sequence because they've been made over the year, they may be just listed as most popular. So yeah, they see a great starting video, but that may not be the most ideal video to watch. So by grouping them into playlists, I'm able to move things around up and down in that homepage, keep a good video as the introductory one. People will feel more at home when they hit the homepage. Now what I also did was look at some of the older videos, and I looked at especially some of my earlier ones and I thought, why have those got good views or not good views, or not many people subscribed on those videos? And as you learn and as you get better, you realise it's often the thumbnail's not quite right or the title is not quite right. So I was able to tweak a few titles, change a few thumbnails, all with the aim of when that video shows up, that people look at it, it stops them scrolling and they say, oh, that looks interesting, I'll go click that and get in for a closer look. Now you can do that, you can compare your really good videos to the ones that have never seemed to get off the ground. That is, and you could quite often see what the difference is, and it'll be in the title. It's just not, doesn't make sense now. Made sense when you did it, but really coming in cold, you can see there's a difference. Thumbnail. Is it clear? Is it cluttered? Does it stand out? You can change a thumbnail. And if you change the thumbnail and the title, maybe tweak the description, particularly the first 2 lines of the description, because that's what shows up. That can make all the difference. You don't have to change the video. That'll make the difference. It gets re-indexed and might start showing up more. Another thing I did, I took some shorts videos that had stalled and I got them going again. I will show you a whole nother video on how to do that. But short videos that didn't get more than 10 or 20 views, now hitting thousands. Just with a few simple tricks that I've learned along the way. And I'll talk about it in another video. The point is, old videos can be woken up again. And you should always look back at your channel and see what's going well. Never delete anything. Over time, they're good to look back on, but they're always valuable. Someone liked them, someone watched them at the start. There's no reason why a new cohort of people are not going to watch them going forward. So take a pause from uploading, stop for a week maybe, look back at your old videos, see if any of them could be changed, group into playlists, and make those changes in a structured way, and then get back on to the new videos that you're making. Keep at it, and I'll see you in the next one.